Hello, welcome to Gardening 101. In today's short video, we're going to be talking about inkberry hollies. Wonderful native broadleaf evergreen plant, and if you take a few site considerations and you do a few key things when you plant, you're going to have great success. So inkberries like a spot where you get full sun or even a little bit of shade. They do need a moist, well-drained acidic soil, so when you plant, it's very important to mix some pine bark mulch into that soil so you can help acidify that soil. I would also recommend mulching with a pine bark mulch, again, just to help acidify that soil. When you go to plant inkberries, it is very important to gently massage apart these roots. As you can see, they can kind of get root bound just a little bit, but if you'll just go in and break those roots apart like this, you'll be fine. So if you'll take some little bit of time when you plant and some consideration on picking your site, you're going to have great success.